Do you want to know how you can get up to 10% cashback when you buy gift cards, airtime and more, and how you in general can very easily spend cryptos that you have by using Crypto.com Pay? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've been using the Crypto.com app for quite a while, and one option that many people have asked me about is the Crypto.com Pay, because you can potentially very easily spend your cryptos by buying different things through that. But not only that, you can also get up to 10% back when you buy, for example, gift cards or airtime for your mobile. And in this Crypto.com Pay tutorial, I will show you everything, show you step by step how it works, so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So before I log into the app and show you how Crypto.com Pay works, quickly, Crypto.com in general is a crypto app that gives you a lot of different options. This particular video is focusing on the Crypto.com Pay because a lot of people have asked me about that specific function, but it has a lot of other options, and I have a full playlist with different tutorials about Crypto.com, and I will leave a link in the top corner. So if you want to know about other aspects of it or how it overall works, then you can check that out also. But for now, let's focus on Crypto.com Pay. I will log in and then I will show you exactly how it works. I have now logged into the Crypto.com app and I'm just on the main dashboard. And then if you want to get access to Crypto.com Pay, you have a couple of options. The easiest one is in the top corner. You can see it says Crypto, or it's just a little logo, and then it says Pay. So this is the easiest way, but you can also do it by going through the big button there at the bottom of the screen. But for now, I'll just click the one in the top corner because that's just very easy accessible there from the main screen. And now you then get a few options. You can see what you can use Crypto.com Pay for. And this is how you can pay for different things with your cryptocurrencies and potentially earn great cashback by doing it at the same time. So it kind of solves two things. It means that some people ask me, how can I spend crypto? And this is one way to do it very easily without having to take it out and sell it and take it into your bank and all that. But you can use it like this. And Crypto.com also has another option that makes it super easy to even use it offline in any store you go into. I will just mention that a little bit more later, but for now let's focus on Crypto.com Pay. And the main options you can see is gift cards, airtime, and then scan. If you want to scan different things, you can do that, offers that, and then pay that way. And also the send option. And we will go over all these and talk a little bit more about them. So let's start with the gift cards. So I'll click the gift cards, and then I'll show you more about how that works. So the gift cards, you can see that you can shop now, and then you can earn up to 10% cashback whenever you buy gift cards with the crypto you have inside Crypto.com. You can see it's available in 30 plus countries. So this particular option is not available in all countries. The only way to find out if it's available in your exact country is to just check if Crypto.com is available inside the platform when you log in. I will also show you now actually where you can get an overview of most of the countries it's available in. So what you would do is just to click the shop now, and you can see it offers a lot of different shops and more, of course, added all the time. So if we just click shop now, that's the first step. And then when you're inside, you can see a list of all the different gift cards you can buy with your crypto. And exactly which gift cards that are available will depend on your country. You can see you can choose a country and then you can get a list. And this is also where I mentioned that you can get a list of the majority of the sites or countries where this option is available in. You can see all of them here, and you can just choose your country and see exactly which gift cards are available. So then you would just go through, or you could choose categories if you wanted. No, entertainment, food or beverage, whatever you wanted, then you can choose that. And then you can see which option it has. It has a lot, especially for the US, you can see for these ones. And then let's just say that I choose Burger King, that I want to buy a gift card there. And then you can see the options that if I pay with Crow, meaning Crypto.com's own cryptocurrency, then I will get cash back. I can also pay with other cryptocurrencies, but then I would not get cash back. And if I stay Crow, then I will get 10% cash back. So if I spend $100, I will get 10% back into my Crypto.com account in Crow coin. So it's definitely a great benefit if you're planning to use your cryptos anyways. But this is only if you pay with Crow, so you would need Crow. And if you want to stay Crow, you will get higher rewards and You can also get a joining bonus if you want to stake anyways. I will have a video where I explain more about all the staking and how to get the joining bonus. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out. You can get a $25 joining bonus for signing up if you want to stake anyway. So that's just something you can check out after this video if you want to know more. But what I would need to do is just to write the amount. So you see, I would write 100 and then I would click the button that says pay. And then you get different options and you can choose all these different ones to pay with, the ones you have. So you can see the only one you get cashback for is if you use to pay with Crow. But this is really amazing. You can also pay with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, whatever you have inside your Crypto.com wallet. So it's a very easy way to pay with cryptocurrencies without having to change it first or doing anything, taking it out, all these things. So that's something to be aware of, that is really an easy opportunity. And then you would just continue to review and take it from there. That's how easy it is. And then you will get the cashback into your account if you choose to pay with Crow. And that's the gift cards, and that's basically as good as spending money. But as mentioned, they also have an option where you can spend actual money in any shop. But you also have these options, the Airtime and the Scan. Airtime is if you want to buy airtime for your mobile. This is not available in all countries, but you can just go and check if you can do it in your country. Scan is for particular projects where you can scan the code and pay that way. And then they have this Send option, which I also find very, very interesting, because if you have any friends that also has Crypto.com app and you want to send cryptos to them, then you can get up to 10% cash back just for sending crypto to another person. Let's say you need to pay them for something, you just transfer it there and then you get 10% back. So you kind of save a lot like that. But again, that depends if you're paying Crow and if you have staked and all these things. But that's just something to be aware of also, in case that you want to send to your friends. Then make sure to use this function, because then you could potentially actually get some of it back. Your friend will get the full amount and everything. This is paid by Crypto.com to you as an extra reward. So definitely really, really great. So personally, I think that Crypto.com overall gives some really great opportunities, not only to pay with crypto, but also to get cash back. But as mentioned, they also have one more option, a very easy way to spend crypto inside Crypto.com, where you can potentially also get your money back, some of your money back, cashback offers. So the option for that is what's called the card. So I just jumped to the card section of Crypto.com, because in case you want to spend crypto but you do not like the Crypto.com pay option, then it also offers you to get a Visa debit card. And I think this is a really great opportunity, because you can also earn crypto back into your Crypto.com account no matter where you shop with this Visa card. No matter where you go, if they accept Visa, you can pay with this card. And this is a really great opportunity. I really love that, and I have the card myself. I have a full video where I show the card and show how to get it and show all the details. I'll leave a link in the top corner. So I would recommend you also check that out, because then you can combine and see like which options is best to maybe use the card. Is that for you? Or Crypto.com pay, is that for you? Then you can have several options to easily spend crypto and get crypto cash back by using the Crypto.com app. Overall, I think the Crypto.com pay option is really great. It's something that I did not use for quite a while, and when I first joined it, I was not really aware of it, and then people started asking me about it and I started looking more into it, and then I wanted to share it, because this is definitely something I will be starting to use more and more, because it really gives some great opportunities. For example, just to get gift cards if you want any gift cards, if you want to spend your cryptos, then to do it that way and get cash back at the same time, because I do have Crow, so I would get cash back there. So definitely great. But also if you just want to spend your crypto, it's a super easy way to do that. And I really love that they also give you cash back if you send to a friend. That's like, you know, I haven't really seen any other platform where you can get cash back just by sending to a friend. So no, that's definitely some great opportunities in my opinion. And if you want to know more about Crypto.com, I'll leave a link below to the playlist I have of a lot of different tutorials, different aspects of it, so you can get the most out of it, so you can check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you figure out if Crypto.com pay is for you or not. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time. It's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.